The model number of this product is Titan-P1. The color is silver. It is used to heat the antifreeze fluid. This product is small and easy for installation. It has strong built-in pump and ceramic shield thermostat. We have two different specifications for it. The first is 110 voltage with 1000 watts. It is suitable for markets in the United States, Canada, and Japan. The second is 230 voltage with three different powers: 1000 watts, 1500 watts, and 2000 watts. It is suitable for markets in Europe,